Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best way how you can get data when you want to travel to Brazil and what I think is the best eSIM for Brazil. So there are two providers that I really like, and the first one is Mobile, and you can have a link with the discount down below in the description. And right here, when I'm going to write search and you would write Brazil, you can have Brazil eSIM right here. So here you're gonna have options to have data for 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days. So here, let's say that I want to go for 5 GB of data for 29 USD when I want to travel through Brazil, and I would click activate now. Now with my discount down below in the description, you're gonna get automatically 10% off, so that's really good. So this is how it works. What would happen then is that you're gonna get a QR code to your email and you have to scan it and activate it. So activate the eSIM. Super simple, nothing difficult, and I made even a full guide on how we can activate the eSIM with Mobile. And when you're gonna do it, that's done, right? Two things. One thing I definitely recommend to check out, if your phone is compatible with the eSIM, when you would click here help and you would click eSIM compatible phones and try to find your phone here. And the second thing is that you can use all data with Mobile as a hotspot, so that's really good. The second thing is that with Airalo, this is another company, when I'm going to write here Brazil, and you can have Brazil, and here you can have options to have 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, or even 5 GB of data. The pricing, when we compare, we look at this. Here, 30 days of data, 5 GB of data, here 5 GB, even the pricing is similar. So when I would open right here, they got also same network, so same coverage, and the same process applies that you will get a QR code that you have to activate. Scan and activate the eSIM. So that's pretty much it, and that's how the eSIM works. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. Would be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. But that's pretty much it. Now it really depends how much data you need. They are both good Airalo and also with Mobile, and I highly recommend it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.